need to press publish. Let me explain. Over the last year, I've tried to work on so many different projects, but none of them have come to fruition. I mean, the last video I made on Zegrid that wasn't about not making videos was like a year and a half ago, and the Sunnyvale project is dead. Hi, my name is Zach. I'm 19 years old. And go. With the iPhone. You see, this is my life. But sometimes it feels a little more like this. I want to show you guys something. Tonight is an interesting night. I haven't been this excited to work on a project or do something in a good amount of time. Now, this isn't to say I won't pick up any of those projects in the future, but whether it's overly criticizing myself, wanting to widen the scope of what it is I'm doing, or trying to find my niche, I just haven't been doing the most important part of it all, which is pressing publish and getting the ball rolling. That's why I'm setting myself the goal to post this video on the day I record it. I think it'll be a good way to create a space where I can express myself freely, put out more content without worrying as much about whether it encompasses all my thoughts and dreams. That brings me to an idea I've been mulling around, and I've been thinking of calling it... Was that cool? I hope that was cool. A movie a day keeps the boredom at bay. I'll explain what it's all about in my next video. See you guys soon.